Se on tässä keittiö meidän nurkka. Yeah.
Let's see when it was built.
Oh,
it's
Stigler.
Stigler.
Oh.
That's rare.
Yeah.
That's special. Let's close this. 4 persons or 390 kilograms.
It doesn't say the build here.
No, it doesn't.
Yeah.
It was there before me.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, we have to check it later. Serial is 541.
Made by Stigler and graded by Kone in the late 1960s or up to the mid 1970s.
But it might be also SH1 or 5H1.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5H1.
I
Or
think so.
SH1.
No,
But this could be from the 1920s.
But that's H. I don't think that's 5.
I think it's SH1.
Yeah.
Like
Maybe this
Stigler
is-
one.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
From the late 1920s, maybe.
Might be Stigler hissi. So this would be the first one.
Yeah.
First Stigler in Finland, maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Not bad. Although it was upgraded by Kone in
Yeah.
60s or 70s.
And I think the motors now.
Has also been upgraded
Yeah.
later after that.
Yeah.
It feels so.
Like the 4-1.
Yeah.
Who took this away?
Yeah. Maybe some vandals.
Yeah, probably. But yeah, we can check it like on Oikotie or something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
There's the details. That's
Is it?
yes.
That's